It's not on the carpet, dude.
I've never seen the lightning bolts reported for misleading time location. More IRL streams spoken.
I'm just done streaming. I quit.
If you've shorted another port, there is a chance it's not dead. Ask TR06 about resetting the CMOS.
I think the GPU's dead at least.
Sash. Loser.
When I told you to plug it in, I didn't think you would plug it in like that.
Like what? What was wrong with the way I plugged it in?
You were flipping the switch as you were plugging it in.
What do you mean? No, I wasn't.
I was looking at it.
Was I? I don't think I was.
Did you try troubleshooting your problem?
Can you uninstall the GPU? Because the GPU has to be fucked at least. And then if it's not, we'll just go from there.
Technically, you did finish the PC.
I'm literally just gonna sit here for the next hour milking donuts. People shitting on me to pay for this.
Dog hair, 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 dog hair. You managed to break the world record for longest time to build a PC and then shortest time before frying it. Pogo, that's my streamer.
Alright. Wait,
Have
let's
you
try
tried
doing the
pressing button
CMOS.
on top of the case?
I gotta find where the button is on the guide.
Cable. L giggle, is it plugged into the wall? L jiggle, have you tried another outlet?
Alright.
If the outlet's working, I just plugged my phone into it. It works fine.
I think it might be salvageable.
Your motherboard. L giggle.
Alright.
Your PC started, but now it doesn't after
Turn
reinstalling
off.
RAM.
Alright,
Are you
unplug it from the
100%
computer.
sure the RAM is properly entered?
Ooh.
Alright.
Wait, hold on. That's a good idea.
What?
What you
What's the
actually
idea?
did was flip the voltage switch on the SU instead of flipping the SU on. You fried the SU.
Hold on.
Wait, just wait, hold up. We might just reset the CMOS and it might all be good.
Okay, how do I do that?
I'm sending you an image right now.
The whole way building this you thought you kept breaking it. Get it to the end and legit break it. How?
Use a jumper cap to short GBAT for your back.
This
That
is a
X
contribution to the
jumper cap.
pre-built fund. Still fucking lost even with 24/7 assistance. Stop streaming, okay, champ.
Yeah.
Listen to me, you fucking Goomba. Reset the CMOS, okay, champ. Reset the CMOS, okay, champ. Reset the CMOS.
So I have to take the graphics card out?
Reset the CMOS, okay,
No,
champ.
wait, just hold off. We're gonna do the CMOS. Like
What?
everyone's saying.
Okay, so what are we doing? Like how? Are you trying to figure out?
Yeah, I don't know. I've never had to, but it says a jumper cap. I sent you an image, and I know where it is. A paper clip you can do it with.
Loser.
Oh, I've done this before.
I tried, Lamont, I tried to warn you. I knew this was going to go badly. You should have got a pre-built Satch. Please listen, the power supply is fried. You changed the voltage instead of turning it on. You flipped the wrong switch. My streamer feels strong, man. You perplexed me.
Alright, can we add Jason Carr to this call for 2 seconds?
Yeah, Adam.
Roll it. I can't. I have to be friends with you, so you accept my Discord friend request, I guess.
I sent you one.
Alright. I'm friends with you now. Oh wait.
If this isn't working, I'm not kidding. I'm not streaming for 2 weeks. I'm not kidding.
So he has to have me as a friend.
Why does it look like that? Raised underscore eyebrow. Why does it look like that? Raised underscore eyebrow. Why does it look like that? Raised underscore eyebrow. Why does it look like that? Raised underscore eyebrow. Why does it look like that? Raised underscore eyebrow.
Alright.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, remember we did this before.
Yeah, I remember.
Okay, so make sure everything's unplugged. You're gonna want to take the GPU out for this. This is gonna be near that.
Yeah, I think it might cover it. It's right above the second PCI Express.
We literally did this the last time.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, fuck.
I hope this is the fix.
It's not. Okay, so first of all, it's your GPU is popped, by the way. So I know you don't know anything about electricity, but you sparked over a half-inch gap, which means literally thousands of volts were running through your GPU. So your GPU is fucked at the least, but you didn't pay for that, so it's okay. But the rest of your computer might be salvageable.
So I can just go throw this in the burn pile?
Come again?
I can go throw this in the burn pile?
I mean, just leave it there.
Hold off.
Yeah, just keep it outside.
Why the fuck would you try and build a PC yourself knowing you luck and you're busy with sports science?
Alright, so now what? I need a paper clip?
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Let's try the, if this doesn't work, let's try the RAM, and then we'll see.
Well, he doesn't have a replacement RAM. Oh no, he does. The RAM works on the other
Chop
PC.
the
One
lines.
sec.
Quit stalling the content.
It doesn't entirely work on the
This
computer.
content is
Then
getting
we can
kinda sad to
bring
watch.
hard into.
Call
So that's
Big
good.
J. He'll end up fixing it.
Oh my god. What was wrong with his old one, just his PSU?
He literally didn't know. He said it stopped working one day and then immediately went to buying another one.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so the first we should swap out RAM first, try that, and then we can move on to other components. True. Also,
Yeah, I think his GPU might still be okay as well.
Oh, you think it? That looked. Whenever you see a spark like that coming out of a component, I immediately assume that.
Right, because that same thing happened to my GPU, and it's still working.
Okay.
Still working okay.
Top, wanted to shout
Alright, I'm
out
back.
that guy.
What's up?
Yeah.
Look at the clip. What clip? Link.
I don't want to watch the clip. I don't want.
No. Tropics, you should see the clip because yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh no, that didn't look good.
Yeah.
That didn't
You
look
see
good.
the rest of that?
Alright, what do I do?
Okay, is the GPU out?
Yeah, it's out.
Okay, show us the board, please.
Yeah, I don't think that was. I thought that was the LEDs of the thing lighting.
No, that was a spark.
That was
the
those
GPU.
were not
Yeah.
those were not LEDs.
Okay, so there should be Tropics. You have the motherboard manual up.
Yeah, I have the manual. It's right. It's right above the second express slot.
Right below the bottom one, you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So look for, I don't know what the silk screen is going to say on this.
Where is it?
Okay, so it's like you see the bottom of those little like silver rectangles right above that near the battery. There should be two little pins.
Wait, I'm sorry. I zoned out. Sorry, say it again.
Okay, so you see that black rectangle or the silver rectangle like that has support. Right above that, there should be two little pins. Near
Silver
the
rectangle.
battery.
Hold up.
Okay, so just near the battery, see that circular watch battery right there?
You see the circle?
This?
Big circle.
What?
Yep. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Now what?
So to the bottom right of that, or just beneath that, there should be 2 pins sticking out.
I gotta set the camera down. I can't.
You can't.
You're gonna have to bend the paper clip so it touches both of the metal parts too.
It also looks like that one has.
Oh, the JBat one?
Yeah, J-hat. Yeah. Remember we did this before.
Yeah. I gotta touch both of them, right?
Yeah, you have to touch both of them at the same time and leave it there for 5 seconds.
Is that gonna shock me?
Somebody's saying in the chat, make sure the power's off when you do this.
Yeah. Be careful.
Make sure that
It's not even plugged. It's not even plugged in.
Okay.
Yeah, make sure the switch is off.
This ain't gonna shock me, is it?
No. This is
No.
like millivolts. It's just coming from the watch battery. This is just a low.
Can I just do it sideways?
See, so that has rubber on it. You're gonna have to take the rubber off. That has paint on it. So it's not a good conductor. You need
Oh.
something that's exposed metal.
Well, these are the only paper clips I got.
That's why.
And you could scrape the metal off, or scrape the paint off. It just needs to. You need something that's non-resistive in between the 2 pins. So.
Something that he might have that's not.
Okay, somebody in chat is saying use tweezers. That's a good idea.
Oh,
Use the
tweezers. Yeah. Or you have they have the cuticle scissors.
Either.
These will work?
Just something that you can.
Yeah, those will work.
Those are
If
fine.
you can bend it to touch both of them. You have to have the metal touch one end and have to have it touch the other.
Yeah, so just need to touch both the pins at once.
I think I did it. Do I have to hold it?
Yeah, hold it there for like 10
What's happened is
seconds.
you
It doesn't
pushed
look
the
like you're
wrong switch on the power supply. Instead of sending 120 V, you did 230 V. I've had heaps of customers do the same thing and blow up their power supply.
I hope the PSU is not dead.
I mean, the PSU is a relatively low-cost component.
Yeah, you bought 1,000 watts one.
Okay, so now what?
Did you do it? Didn't look like you were doing it, but
I did it.
okay.
Alright.
You say you did.
Let's try it. Let's hope this PSU's not fucked.
Wait, so what do I do now?
So connect the PSU to the wall and flip it on.
My phone's on 4%.
Don't recall it firing, but okay.
Where the fuck is the power cable? Turn this on.
After this, we're checking the RAM.
Yeah, there's a whole checklist you can go down to see.
To make sure you haven't destroyed
Now what?
the entirety of the computer.
Turn on.
Maybe he didn't do the CMOS, or maybe.
Yeah, I didn't really get a good look at you doing the CMOS. So
I touched the CMOS, bro. I'm telling you, I touched both of them.
okay, I trust you.
Alright, then reinstall the RAM. Let's do the RAM over again. Should he grab? Let's grab RAM from your old computer.
Yeah, your computer almost certainly works. Like the one that you stopped using, all the components in there almost certainly work. So you can just grab it.
My phone's gonna die. Oh my god. So what am I doing with the RAM?
Go get the RAM from your other computer. The one that you did your streaming room.
Alright.
Take it out. And then throw it here. see the ground plane arc to some connector. It looks like it's arcing to one of the pins. That's really bad.
Anybody want to buy this computer? Hey, anybody want to buy this computer? $600.
It's probably worth like $600.
Will you stop?
Honestly, is that your old PC? I wouldn't be messing around that much with it.
That's the new one.
Oh, that's the new one.
This still turns on. This will still turn on.
Oh, that is the old one. Wait, that's the exact same. Like,
This is the old one. That's the new one.
oh,
Alright,
so maybe we actually just try something. Yeah, new game plan. You fucking.
Oh my goodness. Will you guys stop? I'm going to go crazy. I can't let them out. They'll chew up all my...
Oh yeah, we could take out the CPU if the CPU still works.
No. So what I'm saying is, how you ran the old PC?
Yeah, take out.
Because I think the old PC at this point has more potential to work than the new, if I'm being honest. So I think we switch over from trying to salvage the new PC to salvaging the old PC with new PC parts.
It's like a laugh cry at this point, dude. I can't even. Oh my god.
This is like the epitome of Schadenfreude. So funny.
Can you just wait?
Laughing at other people's pain.
He's trying to bite his way out.
Yeah, you've been here for like 9 hours.
It's been over 10. I've been working on this computer for over 10 hours just for this to happen.
You get out every day. Can you just wait? Oh, move your head. Nope. Stop.
Also, Eric, this is why I asked you to keep all the boxes nice, just in case anything.
You're gonna have to.
All the boxes are nice except for one.
Which it is, what's the...
The CPU cooler, right, is the one you fucked up. That's
hope-
fine.
I
think
hope,
that's
I hope that's the one that...
Yeah, I'm gonna do this off stream. My phone's gonna die. I'm gonna do this off stream.
Okay.
Alright, see you stream. Yeah, we'll be dealing with this.
People, hey, bye stream. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna let the ferrets out too. Take care of them.
We're gonna be all depressed offline. You guys get to leave. Me and Jay are stuck here.
I'm gonna probably go outside for a minute.
Yeah.
Say bye, chat. Thank you guys for watching. 10 hours of my life fucking wasted. $2,000 down the drain. Woo! Woo!
Dude, the fucking low of my life.
Woo!
It could
Don't
not
do
have
anything.
played more. It could not have played out more.
I knew it was gonna happen too. I knew it was
couldn't
gonna
think of
happen.
my craziest dreams. I could have never done.
I love how they think this is so funny. They're so happy. They're like, oh my god, this is so funny, dude. Your computer's broken. Haha, dude.
Anything E-Money wouldn't do, stay black.
Can't stream for another fucking week and a half until my new computer comes. Woo! Woo!
Alright, we're gonna teach you how to RMA with this shit, and I
Sure,
hope
the RMA, you're gonna get like all your money back, dude. But you need to play the system a little bit.
I hope you still have your CPU covered.
Alright, chat. Love you guys.
Motherboard goes, your CPU socket
Oh,
covered.
true. Yeah, the little piece of plastic's worth like
You're gonna need that to return your
$400.
motherboard.
Yeah.
Oh.
That METX motherboard.
Oh, you
$400.
bitch. Did you just...
250.
You never bite. Why did you just bite me?
Yeah, you paid $380 for the 99.
Alright, say bye. Stay safe, stay black, do anything you want to do. Peace, love you guys.